Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Garmin Fenix 6 tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you how to calibrate 3 of the sensors in your Fenix 6. This includes the compass, the altimeter, and then the barometer. So doing this will ensure you have more accurate readings when you're using those sensors for navigation or for your activity tracking, and it's very easy to calibrate all 3 of these on the watch. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we need to do is simply hold the up button to open the menu. Then select the down button until we see Sensors and Accessories. Select that. In here, this is all the sensors on the watch as well as anything you've added. This is also where you can turn off the heart rate monitoring, but that's for another video. So we'll scroll down until we see Compass to first calibrate our compass. Go ahead and select Compass. So in here, all you need to do is select Calibrate and then Start. It'll show you a quick illustration on how to do it, but basically you're going to be moving your arm back and forth and turning your wrist so that your watch is facing up and down. So it should look like this. It might take you a couple tries, but once it does complete the calibration, you'll have the option to select OK, and you've completed calibrating your compass on your Fenix 6. Once you're completed, simply hit the back button to go back to Sensors and Accessories in the settings, and then simply scroll down to see Altimeter and then Barometer. Now both of these are going to be much easier to calibrate. You're just going to use GPS, so we'll select into them, select Calibrate for Altimeter, and then we have 3 options. We can select Yes to simply enter our elevation if we know it. If you don't know it, scroll down and you'll have 2 options that will use GPS to find it. The first is going to be DEM, which stands for Digital Elevation Map. Basically, what DEM is going to do is use GPS to determine your location on a map built into the watch. Now, whatever the elevation is on that map, it's going to use for the elevation. While if you use just GPS, it's going to use GPS to determine your elevation. Now, I've read online that DEM is actually more accurate, but I recommend trying the 2 of these and determining which is more accurate for you. So I'm just going to select DEM as an example, but what it's going to do is first look for GPS. Might take a little bit if you're indoors. Once it finds the GPS, it's going to bring up the estimated altitude, and you can select that to calibrate the altimeter. Barometer is going to be exactly the same. We'll select into it, then go to Calibrate, and it's going to give us the options to set our elevation, and then we can also use DEM or GPS. So that's how you calibrate the compass, altimeter, and barometer on your Fenix 6. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Fenix 6 tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.